Hey, what's up YouTubers? My name is Marlo with Vegas Mini Mansion. Welcome to my channel if you've never been to my channel. But today we're gonna clean white soles to these shoes. I think I have the best strategy on cleaning shoes. I may have been the inventor of this strategy. Just joking, we all like to feel special, but I wanna teach you a way to clean your white shoes, your white soles of your shoes. And it doesn't necessarily gotta be white soles, it could be any color of soles, but I think a lot of people, you know, they get tired of cleaning their white soles of their shoes because it takes time, you know. But with my special strategy, you'll be able to clean your shoes in a snap, just like that. If you haven't seen my other video, how to clean shoes in seconds, please check out this video. But this one's dedicated to cleaning the soles of white shoes. So I just want to give you an example. So I cleaned this side of this shoe here, but as you can see, the blackness and the scuff marks on this shoe here. So what made me make this video is I went hiking a few days ago here in Red Rock, but I was wearing you know, dark soled shoes. But I was like, man, my subscribers, I want to do something special for them so they can, you know, clean their shoes a better way. And I just, you know, I promise I don't have a shoe fetish, but I do like clean shoes. And I think every shoe deserves a deep cleaning, at least every month or two, just to clean your shoes. You know, you can't be roaming around with dirty shoes. So that's why I'm making this video. So we're gonna use this extra virgin coconut oil, but there's another strategy that goes along with this to clean your white soles. So we're gonna get to it, get down to the nitty gritty and clean these shoes real fast. If you've never heard of this strategy, please smash a like, comment, let me know what you guys do to clean your shoes, guys. So let's get off to this video, okay? All right, guys, we're gonna show you the first step. So the first step you're gonna use is you're gonna use organic virgin coconut oil, okay, guys? You can find these cheap at like Costco or Sam's Club, but if you don't have a Costco membership or Sam's Club membership, you can find this obviously at the grocery store, but it's a little bit more expensive at the grocery store. It's very cheap online. I'll leave a link in the description if you can't find the extra virgin coconut oil cheap. But here are the shoes. So we're gonna clean them real fast. As you can see, it's real nice and dark here. And like I said, guys, there's no better strategy. This is the best way to clean shoes and make them white again. So I'm gonna show you. So when we're cleaning the shoes, you're just going to use a paper towel. You're not going to use a terry cloth. You're not going to use microfiber. You're just going to use this because you don't want the coconut oil to soak into the microfiber or a cloth. You just want to have something nice and thin, okay, guys? So I'm going to do it right before your eyes. And obviously, you're not going to be dipping your dirty paper towel back into the coconut oil because obviously you're going to use this for cooking also as well. So here we go. We're going to just dip your finger into the extra virgin oil like this. And the reason why this works, guys, it's thick. It's like a thick moisturizer. It can sit in. Why it's so hard to clean white soles because there's, you know, texture and there's creases, right, in soles, and it's very difficult. Just water alone or like soap alone cannot get in the crevices, right? And that's all you do right here. We're just gonna massage it in, right? So this is the extra tip right here. So I'm gonna use this dish soap. See this dish soap? You can use any dish soap, and you're gonna combine it, right? You're gonna combine it with the coconut oil. Just like that. Just gonna massage it in. Massage it in. There's one little extra technique you're gonna use. And you can use this on leather too. Okay. Alright. So you're gonna do a little bit of pressure. So this is the extra tip that you gotta do. Is right here. I'm going to show you. So you're going to add a little bit of water. Just a little bit of water, just like that, towards the end. Just a little dab. Okay. All right. So I'm going to take a dry piece now. I'm going to take a dry piece and go back over it again. And just like that, guys, nice and clean, that fast. So you're seeing all these videos on how to clean white soles with baking soda, toothpaste. This is the best way, guys. So just giving you an example, just a quick little example. So we're gonna do this men's shoe here. And look how filthy this one is, the sole of this is. I'll just show you real fast. So fresh new paper towel. I'm gonna dip my finger in just like this. And a lot of times when you go get this coconut oil, it will be liquid based. You need it to be in solidified. So if it's too hot, it will be a liquid. To make it a solid base, put it in a refrigerator for a couple hours and it will harden up. So that's my tip to you guys. Just massage the area. And when you guys are cleaning leather, right? It's not gonna clean scratches. Like in this shoe, I can see a few scratches in the soles. It's not gonna, you know, if the shoe's damaged, it's damaged. It's gonna show a scuff mark. It's only clean dirt and grease. So we massage the area, right? Next step, add a little bit of water. Just a dab, just a little bit, just like that. Right. That oil really gets in those cracks and crevices. There's nothing else that can do this. And what makes this good is that it's colorless, right? Because there's a lot of oils out there, but they have color, right? What's good about this, it has no color. So now I take my dry paper towel, go over it. And just like that, guys. So, cleaned it up real good. So that's my special tip for you guys. Now, here we go for closing. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video on how to clean a white sole. This strategy can also be used on leather shoes and boots. I could not take this secret to the grave. I wanted to share it with you guys. And I want to do something special for you guys. In the comment section, I would like to hear, you know, your stories on what you like to use for cleaning shoes, and that'd be awesome, guys. So we're off to the next project. I'll always have something special for you guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.